Well, hello everybody. Welcome to Friday. The S&P 500 was down a little bit today, 0.13%, and it was actually down for the week, which hasn't happened for a while now. We've been on quite a run. Um, you know, one of the things that's really great for us, though, is that we're actually up for the week. We've had a really good week, actually, altogether across all of our accounts. Every account's can be a little different, but I think that's a very positive thing, especially in kind of a down week. And even today, for example, we had clean energy was up, even though the market was down. Some of the innovative technology was up, software was up, cybersecurity was up, et cetera. So, the whole object behind this portfolio, design is to make sure we do have our broad representation. We actually own the S&P 500 or something like it in basically every single portfolio so that we could capture, these bigger moves and these rotations that are happening inside of those stocks. But then these targeted indexes, we're looking for things that have some momentum and are moving forward. And so it's kind of like being in a train station. There's 100 trains, and only two of them are leaving the station, and you want to be on those two. And there might be a couple going the wrong direction, so you don't want to be on those, right? So that's the concept, and just constantly looking for those. There's 2,600 ETFs out there that we're evaluating all the time to see if they should be in the portfolio. And that seems to be working quite well. And that's what's creating these kind of overperformance numbers for us as we go here. And so I'm very excited about that. Also, I think, honestly, in my opinion, after this fantastic month we had in November, having a week or two where the market does go sideways or slightly down is a very powerful thing. Sometimes the market can get way ahead of itself, and then you expose yourself to a big pullback. So just a sideways movement like this, because we do have this cross current of different information. We have the stimulus package, that's not going as fast as people would like, and that's sort of on the negative side. But on the positive side, they're talking about the first people getting the vaccine on Monday or Tuesday of next week. Which would be really exciting also. So I think we're going to see a lot of that kind of cross current happen here. But I do like what we have. We have an awful lot of trains that are leaving the station in the right direction. And that's just something we'll continue to watch for. So really looking forward to seeing what happens next week. And I'll talk to you then on Monday. Thank you very much.